Welcome to training. This is your no-nonsense guide to training, and I'm about to share with you exactly what you need to know to prime your muscles for growth in the gym. Now, a lot of people show up to the gym and aren't really sure what to do. You may have found yourself at one point or another wondering, should I do weights or cardio? Free weights or machines? Light weights or heavy weights? Along with perhaps a million other questions. I'm going to help you discover the most effective way to train that will lead you to getting real results. Now, each exercise that you do will consist of 4 sets, and each one of these individual sets will consist of different rep ranges. In case you're totally new to lifting, I'm going to briefly touch on what a rep and set is. So a rep is short for repetition, which is performing a movement from the starting point and back. For example, say I was performing a bicep curl. I need to lift the weight up and back down. That's 1 rep. Now, set, on the other hand, consists of reps performed consecutively after each other. So again, back to bicep curls. If my set consisted of, say, 3 reps, it would look like this. 1, 2, 3. And that's 1 set of 3 reps. So the rep ranges you're going to be using throughout your training are as follows. And make sure you remember these. Even write it down if you have to, because these rep ranges are going to apply to every single exercise that you do. So for set 1, the rep range is 15 to 20 reps. This high rep set will help your muscles get used to the movement and really help them get a good contraction. Set number 2 will have a rep range of 10 to 12 reps. Set number 3, 6 to 8 reps. And set number 4, 4 to 6 reps. Really overloading your muscles with weight and building strength. The reason why I'm having you do a variety of rep ranges is to ensure you develop the entire muscle and get the benefits of performing more reps, fewer reps, as well as everything in between.